Season 2. Tristan Cabiltes won the championship with Nueva Ecija in Season 4. Meanwhile, let's bring in Andre Indusio.
Mga kaliga, kasama naman natin ngayon ang dalawang ina ng ating Twin Towers dito sa MPBL. Ma'am Geraldine Chu, the mom of Gio Chu, and Ma'am Rona Gonzalez, the mom of Raven Gonzalez. Maraming salamat po for joining me here. Unahin ko na muna si Ma'am Rona. Ma'am, talagang all the way to Abra, all out support ang inyong family in Game 1. Ang nakausap po namin ay kapatid ni Raven, but now, andito naman po kayo supporting Raven in this game.
Yes, mula pagkabata talagang pinapanood na namin lahat ng games niya. Sinusuportahan talaga namin. Even lalo nung magkasama sila ni Gio sa Batang Gilas. So that was almost 10 years ago. So medyo matagal na talaga ang samahan namin nila, family, ng team ng Chu.
Hindi lang po pala si Raven at si Gio ang matagal nang magkasama. Kayo rin po pala ng mom ni Gio Chu ang palaging magkasama sa laro.
Yes, medyo matagal na din. So since Batang Gilas pa. Wala lang sila nung college. Nag-Ateneo si Gio and si Raven sa Lasal naman.
Alright, maraming salamat po, ma'am. At dumako naman tayo kay Ma'am Geraldine. Ma'am, every cheer is heartfelt at kitang-kita po namin from the sidelines talagang all out ang suporta ninyo sa inyong anak. How proud are you of Gio and of course his team?
I think every mom, every parent would be proud of all the players that is playing under Abra team. Ako naman, as a mom, as a parent, I can only give my 101 support sa aking anak. Siyempre, lalong-lalo na nasa finals na tayo. Hindi madali yung ginagawa nila. Kaya support lang kami. Support lang.
Such a very heartfelt messages mula sa ating moms ng ating Twin Towers. Pero for now, balik muna sa inyo sa Delvin Coach Mike.
Thank you so much, Andrea. So another side of the game. At the end of the day, they're also sons.
Yes.
Of their moms and their brothers, like us.
At saka si Delphi yung 101% for your kid. Kaya naman bukas nasa first communion ride.
Oh, Marky.
My goodness.
Magic bunot. Marky, no stranger to the bright lights of the MPBL. Ito si Marky extending the lead to 12. He's got 5 points here in the second half. Napoles trying to answer.
Yeah.
Got it.
That's the shot that I've been waiting for Jory Napoles to take. I've always believed on a catch and shoot, especially on paglipat ng bola sa weak side. You know, very potent itong si Jory Napoles.
They need to stop here. Pangasinan.
Indeed.
Serrano against Bulanadi. Encho. Bulanadi
Offensive.
drops. And Encho is whistled for the offensive foul.
That was yung extend ng kaliwang kamay. Kaya natawagan ng offensive foul. Kita mo naman yung pag-fake na screen na yun. Late yung recovery, walang tag sa kabila. Easy basket. Pero ito rin yung swing para kay Jory na sinasabi natin kanina pa.
Si Batino was very preoccupied dun sa shaded lane. Sa threat sa ilalim.
Hindi makalabas. Ito close out.
Gabo from the corner. No. And Hesed Gabo has yet to score in this ball game.
He's 0 out of 3 from the field.
Marwin Taiwan. The runner from Marwin. There's a foul. Whistled against Vic Manuel.
Doon pa lang nakita mo na iwan na talaga kaagad itong si Hesed Gabo doon sa defensive coverage niya against kay Marwin Taiwan. Kadalasan ang ginagawa nila pag yung naka-ball screen na, yung big man nasa baba na, yung guardia na lang bumabantay doon sa screening action. Kasi inaabangan nila yung drive papunta sa baba. Pero in that case, naiiwan itong si Hesed Gabo dahil naipit doon sa screen.
And doon sa linya si Marwin Taiwan gets the first free throw to drop. Now what I like about Marwin Taiwan's game this season has been his consistency. Whether he's coming off the bench, he is starting heavy minutes or not a lot of minutes because it's a loaded backcourt para dito sa Abra. You know, in fact, Joshua David has not played in this ball game, and then naging mas loaded pa nung dumating ito si Jason Brickman.
Yes.
Bonga Lanza for 2 plus the foul.
Ayan ang mga kailangan nila, quick decision to attack. Lalo na sa low block, huwag nahayaang makapwesto pa yung help defense.
This is the play of the game brought to you by 747 Live. Dito ka sa legit. Your game, your chance, your thrill only with 747 Live.
Isa na yan sa paboritong move dito ni Galanza. Nirarock niya yung bola before niya puntahin sa kanan para makatapos. Ang napakaraming beses na nakita nating nakascore siya of that move.
Did not complete the 3-point play. Lead of Abra is at 9 points.
Nakita mo yung composure ng Marvin Taiwan, ano? He commands that, leadership on the floor for the Weavers.
Ildefonso, Marky, the shot fake. He stops. A wild shot from Marky, stopped by Pangasinan. Mabulak, offensive foul. Oh.
Mike got there first pero hindi niya binigyan ng space para makita siya ni Marvin.
Kaya nga.
Kailangan at least one step. Pero bibilib ka rin talaga dito sa nilalaro ni Marvin Taiwan. Naalala ko yung laro niya against Nueva Ecija. Kayo ni Coach Christian nagko-cover nun eh. Crucial yung 3 points niya sa right wing 3. I said to myself, man, he's already arrived. Ito si Marvin Taiwan as the lead point guard of the Weavers.
Okay. That's air ball. Sa net tumama.
Nag-celebrate yung mga tao pero kapos pala. Pero sa banded points natin parang diretso kasi,
Kaya,
no?
54-45. Hesed Gabo at the controls for Pangasinan.
Down 9, may pagkakataon pa. Oh, that's offensive.
That's 2.
Both, initiated by Marvin Taiwan.
See what happened here, Coach Mike.
Ito may tulak eh, oh.
Gumalaw siya
Gumalaw siya eh. Saka in-extend ng konti yung arm niya. If he had it twisted, that would have been not a foul.
We will be right back. 6:28 remaining. Lamang ang Abra ng shot. That's our fan of the game brought to you by LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. Hello sa mga fans natin dito sa Banggit. Abra, Dave Ildefonso. 9 of his 11 points in the second half. 4 of 16 shooting for Dave. Also has 10 rebounds. Another strong performance from Dave Ildefonso. What I like about this performance again, he has not been shooting very well, but he is working extremely hard on the glass. And right now, he has gone really to his strengths, which is getting into the paint. Whether, he gets fouled, just being forceful right now, just being aggressive. Ito si Dave Ildefonso.
Oh, tsaka yung effort niya sa depensa eh. Kung titingnan mo yung rebounds niya, 11 defensive rebounds. Lahat yun galing kay Dave Ildefonso. And so if he's not scoring, he's helping out on the defensive end.
You have to mention that the defensive rebounds because he completes the defensive stand
Correct.
of his team. Napoles for 3. Got it!
I told you, catch and shoot, ball swing, weak side, Jory Napoles.
6 na puntos na lang ang lamang dito ng Abra from as high as 12. Under 6 minutes to play. Taiwan with a getaway. Finds Odulba underneath. Mula Nadi. Short rebound ni Alin. It's back with Alin. Nakawala si Alin. Hang time. No.
Boy, they had Jory the other end, weak side, same spot, didn't kick it out.
Here's Taiwan. Marvin attacks. Naiwan ng bantay. It's Marvin Taiwan with another outstanding game. 7 points. Gabo to Napoles. Another 3. Yes! Jory Napoles is keeping the Heat Waves in Game 2. Nandito, kumakatok pa rin itong Pangasinan.
Basta nahahanap mo si Jory Napoles on that weak side, may pagkakataon ka.
Gonzalez underneath, and Raymond Gonzalez with 11 points and 3 rebounds. It's back up to 9. The lead for Abra. Merong foul sa ilalim. And no more challenge for Coach Yong.
I don't think that was a foul. No, on that drive, he really had his hand up.
This is the sister game powered by 747 Live. Dito ka sa legit.
Oh, you see immediately that drop, very similar do sa mga pinuntos ni John Oduba. Nag-aabang sa ilalim hanggang sa makita sa kanyang gwardiya na libre siya, papasahan siya, ibabasket niya. Actually made that attempt.
And Mike DG misses the free throw. That's the technical, and Mike De Gregorio will shoot 2 more. Down to 7 ang lamang dito ng Abra.
Kumakatok pa rin.
Oo.
May pagkakataon pa to. Kailangan magandang depensa. At again, makabasket sila sa side nila. Ito talagang maaga pa lang. Kino-cover na nila si Taiwan sa kabila.
Ayon. Dave Ildefonso will attack. That's a fade away from Dave. A tough shot. Agawan sa rebound. Ends up with Ian Melencio. Vic Manuel. Napoles has it. Melencio. Manuel. Galanza. 3. No. Melencio with a rebound.
Grabe yung rebound ni Melencio.
De Gregorio with a recovery. Ball taken away by Ayon. Nagabi din yung agaw na yun ni Marvin Taiwan.
Oo. Quickly nakita mo si Coach Gerson. Kalimutan niyo na, baba na kayo. Dumepensa na lang kayo.
Hindi si Marvin natatakot pag sumundot dun na alanganin. Ayon puts it in. And Abra responding with every Pangasinan uprising. 62-53. Mike Ayon giving Abra a 9-point lead. 3 minutes and 13 remaining. Timeout muna tayo.
Ano bang hilig mo gawin?
Oo naman, after before game, siyempre dasal and stretching, gano'n, para kasi tumatanda na sumasakit yung mga buto-buto na.
Bukod sa'yo, tingin mo, sino pa yung pinaka-pogi dito sa Pangasinan Heat Wave?
Siguro dalawa si JP tsaka si Ian Melencio.
May nagtatanong, Jory, kamag-anak mo ba si Gerald Napoles? Kasi medyo magkamukha kayo ng konti.
Hindi, sikreto lang namin yan, magkapatid talaga kami. Nanay namin si Janet Napoles.
Alright, maraming salamat once again, Jory Napoles, for Dugout Invasion.
Nakakatawa yun
Mahirap.
Parang hirap na mag-cover ng game na mainit dahil matapos manood ng Dugout Invasion.
Oo. Parang iba yung tempo.
Habang yung iba tao na sisters biglang lumabas yung mga ganon. Ang galing. Hindi ko pala alam. Magkapatid pala talaga sila.
Oo. Hindi, mabigat doon yung graphic na magkatabi.
Gabi yun
Oo.
Matindi yun Sino gumawa nun?
Tingin ko si Maki.
Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Kilala ko yung gumawa nun. De Gregorio with a big 3.
They're still in it.
6-point game.
2-possession game.
Nike Ayon. Binabatay ni Bongga Lanza. Ayon, Oduba, Batino, Ildefonso, and Taiwan. The 5 on the floor for Abra. Ayon. Nandun pa rin si Napoles. Swings it over to Dave Ildefonso. Ildefonso, drop pass. Oduba is there! What a play galing kay Dave Ildefonso. Finding John Oduba wide open underneath.
Si John Oduba ay nasa pinakadulo ng opensa. So nakikita niya lahat. Napakaganda ng find na yon ni Dave Ildefonso.
Vic Manuel will launch the 3 and will miss. This time, good box out galing kay Marvin Taiwan on Ian Melencio.
Kailangan makakuha ng stop ng heat waves dito.
The final 2 minutes of game 2. Top seed Abra wants a 2-0 lead in this series. Batino aatake. Shot no. Ildefonso misses as well. Di Gregorio behind the back. The spin. Mike DG misses. And Napoles will send Oduba to the free throw line.
Well, Mike had the right thing in mind. Atake kagad yung depensa habang di pa naka-set up. Pero ang ganda rin ng baba ng mga paint defenders nitong Weavers. Hindi naging madali yung drive na yun para kay Mike.
It's been a work in progress here for Abra, but look, every game they look more and more like a finished product. Kasi if you think about game 1, Jason Brickman with that big second quarter, now different players again coming to the fore to help them close this one out.
At saka iba-ibang parts portion ng game, no? You had kanina Raven Gonzalez is really very
Had
good.
a 9-point, good 9-point half.
That's right. Marquis was also pretty good. There's certain portions here in the third and the fourth.
And Mike Ayon in the first half.
Yep. And then Marwin came in.
Yeah, David Ildefonso, a little bit of everything as well. Alfred Batino with some good plays. Oduba, 6 points. He stays at 6 points. Batino with the offensive rebound. Labas kay Marvin Taiwan, an extra possession for Abra. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Taiwan against Melencio. Marvin, layup, masyado malakas. Bulanadi goes to Di Gregorio. Atake si Mike DG. The basket plus the foul. Pangasinan still in it. Minute and 11 remaining. A chance to trim it to just 5. This is the fast break of the game, brought to you by Extreme Cool Air Conditioners. Ang Extreme Magpalamig. Free installation for split type air conditioners.
And that's exactly the same thing that Mike had in mind earlier. This time, na-beat niya yung depensa. Naka-elevate na siya bago dumating pa yung shot blocking attempt on that drive. And he goes to the strike for a bonus.
$11 points and 8 rebounds para kay Mike Di Gregorio. Pressure here from Pangasinan. The steal. Oh! Unable to complete the steal there. And Oduba will slow things down. Ildefonso.
This will be big.
8 seconds in the shot clock for Abra. Dave finds Batino, the shot fake and the foul. Alfred Batino will have to earn the 2 points from the free throw line. This is the Gixxer great move of the game. Born for greatness.
Oh, what a crossover.
Broke his ankles there, pero okay lang. No celebration. Nonchalant lang. Kaling kay Muscle Man.
Pero lahat gulat.
Another great decision by Dave Ildefonso on that ball screen, Coach Mike.
Indeed. And he really just has been a primary decision maker for the Weavers. And you have to hand it to how Dave has really conducted himself. Ito could have gotten that shot, but he saw that slip of Batino. Eh, wala ka nang gagawin kung ikaw si Bong Galasa, kundi foulin. Sa free throw mo na lang kunin yung puntos mo.
Kagulo na yung depensa. Hindi pa nakakasend ng Pangasinan eh.
Scramble eh. Kanya-kanyang habol sa pangunang coverage sa depensa.
51 seconds remaining. Medyo na delay tayo ng konti dito.
Batino has gone to the line and attempted twice, and he's made both. So this will be his second trip.
Oh, missed it. Door slightly open for Pangasinan.
At sanay na sanay ang Pangasinan sa mga ganitong sitwasyon, no? Dikit. May pagkakataon.
And 2-possession advantage here for Abra. Make that a 6-point game. Melencio. We need a bucket. The Heat Waves. De Gregorio drifts to the corner. Blocked by Ayon.
Ganda ng pagkaka-anticipate ng play na yon. It was either yung pagpunta sa corner ni Mike De Gregorio o yung pagpunta rin sa ibabaw na tres ni Joray Napoles. Yun ang options ni Ian Melencio that time.
And they will review this. That out of bounds. 65 to 59. It will stay with Pangasinan. Ito yung fascinating dito kung ano gagawin ni Coach Gerson off this inbound.
Yeah.
Brickman returns to the game.
Huwag natin kalilimutan doon sa Nueva Ecija game. Crucial yung isang krinokis na play ni Coach Gerson off an inbound.
Would you be okay with a quick two here, Coach Mike?
I'm fine with a quick two.
Galanza, Taiwan knocks the ball away.
This one they're gonna review again.
Napoles and Uduba getting in the way of each other. There's another review here. It will stay with Pangasinan. Assistant Coach Harold Nang getting in the way of Dave Ildefonso. And Pangasinan ultimately calls a timeout. The Heat Waves in game one way below their numbers. Scoring, they were held to 58, now down, held to 59 in this ball game. Field goals made, only 20, points in the paint, 22. Fast break scoring, this was a big concern, only 4 points for the Heat Waves. Let's give a quick shout out to Boss Robert Kai and family of Boracay de la Ia, traveling all over Northern Luzon.
Oh, yes.
Nanood ng game 1 dito. Ingat po, Boss Robert. De Gregorio, that is short.
Boy, that was a good look.
But he was not comfortable taking that shot, Coach Mike.
Yun yung mid-range, no? Somehow yung calibration mo, iba.
No, he sometimes would want that off the dribble.
That's right.
Taiwan with 5 seconds in the shot clock. Brickman, Ayon for 3. Ball is loose, picked up by Taiwan. Oduba. Ayon slips. Brickman has it. Taiwan trying to secure the game here at home. Well, JB Pernos up on his feet.
And so are the other Abra fans.
Gusto ko yung Gusto ko yung yung whiteboard. Interchangeable yung yung statement mo.
Oo, napapalitan.
Napapalitan,
Oo.
di ba?
Kung medyo tegi-tegi ka, tablet pa yan
Oo.
Pero madalian, whiteboard na lang.
Whiteboard. At least hindi kartolina, di ba? Dami mo kartolina, di ba?
Huwag naman kartolina. Baka mag-Manila paper pa tayo niya.
Uy, November 27, markahan nyo daw, 3-0. Naku,
Oo.
North Division champion yun kung 3-0.
Oo.
Pero may isa pa, may game 3 pa to. And the Abra Solid North Weavers.
Congratulations, Dave. Una sa lahat, let's talk about how you chose to consciously make an effort to bounce back big time in this game from your Game 1 performance. Ano, you've been contained, pinahirapan ka nila, pero tonight you proved to us that you can and you will power through.
Una sa lahat, I want to thank God kasi binigay niya sa amin yung panalo na to. And syempre credit kay sa Pangasinan Heatwaves kasi they gave us a really good 2 games. And especially kay Mike, he's been a tough cover pero I just try to do my best to contribute in other stuff. Kasi kahit today medyo bad pa rin yung shooting ko pero although yun nga what I told you, important is we get to win. And yun nga nakuha namin panalo ngayon. And syempre yun for sure maghahandaan na naman kami ng Pangasinan sa Game 3.
And Dave, you guys are 1 win away from that North Division title. What can you promise to the fans? What are you willing to do for Abra?
Siguro promise ko nang una sa lahat, siguro sa next games hindi na puro baldog yung mga tira ko. Hopefully, pero sa lahat ng mga taga-Abra, yun nga, maraming salamat sa supportan nyo. Grabe yung supportan nyo. And promise lang namin sa Game 3 is, mas tataasan pa namin yung energy namin and hopefully makuha namin yung 3-0 na sweep.